I'm Kurt Telfer, HWRC Manager for the Dumfries and Galloway Council, and we work in partnership with Stranraer Furniture Project.
And my name's Paul Smith and I work for the Furniture Project in Stranraer, and we run the contract with Dumfries and Galloway Council, which is the community reuse shop on the site of the Zero Waste Park in Stranraer. So back in 2011, we were advised that Dumfries and Galloway Council had put out a tender document to deliver reuse services throughout Dumfries and Galloway. We submitted a tender to operate throughout Dumfries and Galloway. Eventually, it was scaled back so we could operate it in isolation throughout Wigtonshire and the Stewartshire area, which is kind of approximately 50% of Dumfries and Galloway. So we tendered for it, we were awarded the contract, and that was back in 2013. And then we spent a further 4 years securing the capital to enable us to fulfil the first part of that contract arrangement, was to construct the building and deliver the services and maintain the building in doing so. So the actual contract started, which is essentially our business plan and a series of delivery arrangements contained within the business plan. That started in 2018. So you can see that there was a large jump between when the original document went out to tender and when we started to operate.
So to help Stranraer Furniture Project establish well, we agreed to a 20-year contract, and this is to give the project longevity, to ensure that they were going to get funding, being a third sector party. So we, as a local authority, thought we could use our weight in that respect to help out, because we have the same vision as they do. We work this together. We believe that in the future we can help our community and provide a better future for them. Our future ambitions for the Furniture Project and the partnership we have with them would be to try and expand. At the moment we have 4 recycling centres which house containers for reuse. We try and put these containers in such a prominent position where they're noticed by the public and they're easily accessible. We also meet and greet the public and we explain to them what we're doing, and we highlight the fact that we're using these items for good reasons.
My name's Wilma White. I'm the Operations Manager here at the Community Reuse Shop. So the Community Reuse Shop is a huge part of our community. We are here to provide affordable items that are accessible to all members of our community. We can accept donations either by customers bringing them to the shop themselves, or we also collect from 4 other zero waste parks throughout the area. Once we've got the items, we hopefully get gifted on them. We then process the items following the Revolve standards. We check that they're fit for purpose, that they're safe, and that we can sell them on. If the items are electrical, they get fully part tested and function tested, and those items also come with a 30-day money-back guarantee for the customers. So because we receive a huge volume of donations through various areas, we have a lot that we can put out in the shop floor. So we need to move those on, ideally as quickly as we can. And for that reason, we make sure that our items are priced affordably so they're accessible to everyone in the community. We try our best to reuse every item that we get, but unfortunately sometimes there just isn't a market for it. So what we would do is take any reusable parts off it, say handles, hinges, anything that we could break down and sell separately. And then the item that is left, we will speak with our zero waste partners and we'll send it on to recycling. So volunteers come to us at all ages. We have them from age 16 who come from the local academy to do the Duke of Edinburgh volunteering part, all the way up to our oldest volunteer is 83 at the moment. And they come to us for a variety of reasons. Some people just want to get out of the house and have a bit of social interaction. Other volunteers want to come and learn new skills.
I'm Donna McKean and I'm the Programme Manager here at the Community Reuse Shop. My job is about the additional projects that the Community Reuse Shop run because of the success from the reuse side of it. The main project at the moment is the Pink Frog Employability Programme. We are here to help people with barriers to employment, The programme's open to people aged 16 to 64, and they get to use the Community Reuse Shop for hands-on work experience. So whether that's working in the warehouse, being out in the vans, or in the office, it depends. It's very person-centred, and it's very much driven by what the goals of the participant are. We have some life and social skills, which all kind of go hand in hand with it. So at the moment we've got some projects like woodworking and cooking and learning guitar, because somebody was interested, and we try and facilitate it and make it as interesting as possible. The benefits of the Community Reuse Shop and the income that it brings are these additional projects. The money's reinvested back into the community, and the projects are driven by the community. We are constantly having conversation with customers, with elected members, with other organisations locally about what the local people want to see happen, and that's how we drive forward with our initiatives.